amazing people, and welcome back to today's wonderful workout, chair workout. Shall we get started? Marching down. With biceps. Front raise. Side raise. Keep marching down. Again we march. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now forward, 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 forward. Heel taps. For 5, 4, 3. Okay, tummy tight. Put your hands here. For 5, 4, 3. Your arms going up. For 5, 4, 3, 2. We are opening out. Let's go. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now open the leg out, 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 out with the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, good. 8. Now let's go both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and marching down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and triceps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and back to marching. 5, 4, 3, 2, side raise. 5, 4, 3, 2, back to forward taps with arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, we go both hands. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, marching down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're opening leg out, in with your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep on going. 5 more. 4, 3, 2. Now here, step out, out, in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, side. 5, 4, 3, 2, your arms up. For 5, 4, 3, 2, marching down again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, opposite elbow, opposite knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and change for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, back to matching. 5, 4, 3, 2, forward, up, forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your arms here, step out for 5, 4, 3, 2, each hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, both hands. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your hands here. Knee, knee, tap, tap. Knee, knee, tap, tap. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We go up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're matching. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your arms here. Now bending side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Punch side, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tummy tight. Another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Marching down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Punch, punch, knee, knee. Punch, punch, knee, knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Marching down again for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and open out for 5, 4, 3, 2, another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Punching forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, another 5, 4, 3, 2. Your arms up, biceps for 5, 4, 3, 2, another 5, 4, 3, 2, now up for 5, 4, 3, 2, both hands 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you're marching down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we go both legs 1, squeezing your tummy in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very easy. We stretch legs together. Try to reach your toes. Press down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your legs in. One hand down. And turn for 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back here. Press one shoulder in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now in. You are rolling out for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, your hands for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull your head one side for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The other side for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both hands for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. So those are basic moves you can do. Sit down, no excuses. In our next workout, we'll do body toning on the chair. Until the next time, bye bye from me.